Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I am back in Brooklyn. I know I don't leave Manhattan that often, but when I do, it's for something like this. Today we are going to see a 4-story house for sale. I think my last Brooklyn house tour was a 4-story house for rent for $8,500. This is a full brownstone for sale for $3.5 million. We're going to meet the agent. He's going to tell us all about it. I'm excited to see it. I saw some pictures online and I think you're going to like it. So let's go see it.
Hey.
Hey, Andy.
How's it going?
Nice to see you.
Good. Nice to see you.
We won't touch.
Okay,
but,
of course. We're going to keep
We'll get started.
We'll keep our distance.
All right, before we go inside, I want you to tell us a little bit about the outside.
Welcome to 685 Putnam Avenue right here in Bedford Stuyvesant. You have a brand new brownstone. So this has been fully torn down and then rebuilt and restored. So this building we bought in 2018. So it's been a 2-year process. Myself, I'm a broker developer with a team that built this house right here. So it's a 2-year process, a labor of love, as we like to call it. You guys want to come in?
I'm never leaving now.
Hey, you're stuck here with me.
All right, so let's talk about the parlor floor. We are on the first floor of a 4-story.
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
So this is a 4-story brownstone, like you said. Parlor floor, usually the level where the main door is, you walk into this great room, right? So you have living room, you have dining room, you have kitchen. And let's stay here for a little bit and look at the detail. So Nyasia, look at the floors. This is all $18.99.
I love the floors and the fact that you didn't really have to patch anything.
Right.
Usually you can see patches in the floor where it, it was kind of damaged and then it doesn't look consistent. This looks really consistent.
Even the woodwork right here, consistency in the woodwork, this is all hand restored. So our wood guy took it off. We had like a factory in here and people are just hand restoring every little single detail. Critical. So Molly Elizabeth, she was our designer here and she also helped with the staging. So we curated a look, a simple, minimal look. I think right here, less is more, right?
Yes.
So
less is definitely more.
So she helped out. It's not one particular group that just came in and put all the furniture down. We had a curated look with the interior designer. Come and roll with me.
Take us into where the men are supposed to cook.
Oh yeah, I don't mind cooking at all. So what do you want to eat? We have steak, I have a whole refrigerator here full of meat. I'm just joking. So this is the kitchen. This is the grand kitchen, designer kitchen here. You have your farmhouse sink here, and then you have your refrigerator behind the panel. So
you don't see it.
Right here. You don't have to go into this. There's all the drinks.
The kitchen is like this U shape. So you've got different zones, right?
Yeah.
So one person can be over here prepping. One person can be over here cooking.
Yes.
I could be here stealing the snacks.
And I could be here drinking my wine.
So you've got a wine fridge.
We have a wine fridge here. You can, store your glasses here. I love this element here. This is the original tile of the home. The developer and I, we kind of went back and forth to see, do we keep the tile? Do we keep it modern? This will be a cool question to ask the folks out there. Do we love the original tile? And when we go upstairs, it's a little bit more modern. We'll compare to see which one actually came out a little bit better.
So any of the floors are different up here,
yes,
right?
I am glad you noticed because these are brand new hardwood floors and soundproof. Yeah, so this whole level, it's a quiet. It's kind of like, I consider this like almost like a hotel spa, like very quiet. You can really relax. This would be my morning routine.
Yeah.
Here, maybe some coffee, maybe a chat with my wife, my lovely wife. So now you could really kick back and have a little bit of privacy, but still have that sunlight coming in.
Is this a queen or a king?
That's
I mean,
actually
you could fit anything.
You could fit a California king there.
Yeah,
but for the purposes of staging and really showing the scale of the house, this is what I love about staging. Because if I didn't stage this room, you wouldn't think it's this big.
It's as
so
big as
I could stand in a corner, and you're like, oh wow, the ceilings are really high.
Right.
Wow, she's all the way over there. Right. So this is a huge just kind of retreat.
But after you wake up from like your beautiful sunlit bedroom, you're walking through to like your own walk-in closet.
Right.
for me.
I'll let you do the honors.
Yeah, this is kind of my
This is your show. This is
This
you
is
right now.
like
This
where
is you.
I live. So what I like is that it has, you know, the holes in it so
Mm-hmm.
you can actually put your own storage in, because especially for us girls, we don't know what we're going to put everywhere. We need to be able to decide on our own.
Sure.
So if you want to do sweaters, if you want to keep like your winter clothes in one section and your summer clothes in another, so you don't have to bother with it. That's kind of what I would do over here. And I love the color. It's really muted.
Beautiful.
You don't,
Beautiful.
it's not super stark white.
Right.
But it's muted enough that it kind of just flows, right? And then it heads to the bathroom.
So you have the dual vanity. As she goes
You-
checks out
you go
herself,
ahead.
I'm gonna go and give you the tour. So double vanity, what you have a full size tub. I'm 6'2", and I could fit in here comfortably.
Let me see.
We're gonna go in.
Prove it.
This is where I'm gonna be. Actually, you guys could carry on.
We can leave?
Yeah, you can
okay,
leave
we'll
here.
just
Please
leave you
leave.
by yourself.
I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, and the tub is amazing. Like I was telling you about before, you need a little bit of space. So imagine going into your beautiful standing shower, dual, heads, and then you can have your space here. So you can shower, your partner can shower. There's enough space for everybody. It's a party.
We've got his and her sinks, or hers and hers, or his and his, or whatever you want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
But you've got your own side, so you never have to share, because sharing is terrible.
Especially in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So you want to have your own headquarters. I have mine, you have yours. Whether you're coming in the bathroom or you're leaving the bathroom, you can put your clothes on, check yourself out, and go, go on your way. So
Walk
go to
out the
work.
door.
So you make sure you're looking good. You have a mirror check here. Get your clothes on
And then out the door.
walk out the door.
So this is for the adults.
Right.
Upstairs is kind of work
Yeah.
area and
Work
for the
area
kids.
for the kids, yeah.
Last floor.
It's the last floor. Are you tired yet? Actually, it's not the last floor.
It's actually not
We
the
have
last
more.
floor.
There's
It's the
wait.
last-
There's more.
There's always more.
Yes.
But we've got the last floor of like basic living room space.
Yes.
Let's go.
This staircase leads you to the top floor. It technically has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but it's currently set up as a 2-bedroom office plus bonus space. Both of the bathrooms on the top floor have beautiful skylights, so you don't even have to turn the lights on. The front bedroom also consists of a marble fireplace, and it has a private bath with shower enclosure.
All right, so if somebody didn't want to upkeep with the backyard,
Right.
you can kind of
You
have.
just hang out on the deck. You put your, tables here. You hang out here. So I'm more of a deck person.
Right.
And then whoever wants to run out and chill on the grass, you have that space.
You've got all of this backyard space.
So you could plant. You could do a little herb garden if you want.
Are you
so-
growing parsley? What do you grow?
I do have parsley. I have a lemon tree. But you could really go ahead and plant back here, and especially for sustainability, this is beautiful.
Yeah, sustainability.
Mm-hmm.
He has a brand new baby.
Baby boy.
Show them a picture of your
Let me see-
baby.
Let's see if I have a photo. Andrew Matthias. He's my firstborn, and we plan to have a lot more children. So a home like this definitely can house 3 or 4 kids.
You can grow into it.
You can grow into it. Yeah.
And then not only can you grow into it, but there is income in this
Right.
house. So there is a 1-bedroom garden apartment.
There is.
Are you going to show us that?
Let's go.
All right.
As soon as you walk in, you can have your coat closet. We actually have a washer and dryer in unit as well. This is about, I would say, just shy of 1,000 square feet. So
And this is a full 1-bedroom,
Full 1-bedroom.
1 bath.
Yes.
And it has access to the backyard. So they're
Yes, it
not
does.
like getting cheated where
Yes,
you
it-
get all of the backyard.
Not at all.
They get a little bit.
Not at all. And I can see a young professional couple living down here. And the way we did it was not to squeeze 2 bedrooms,
Right.
but you have the space.
And
You have
it has a ton of light. So it's not like a basement where you don't have that much light
Right.
and you've got those really small windows. You've
Right.
got full-size windows here. Prep space for all of your dinner parties. Once we're finally able to have dinner parties,
Right.
this is what you will be using,
Exactly.
okay? Not right now. Now is not the time for dinner parties. Now is the time to stay home, go to work, that's it, okay?
Exactly. This little space here.
You can create like a little office space here.
Yeah, office space. You could even, we were talking about gardening earlier, you can put your stuff here. You sit here, you have some outdoor space, you can catch a breeze, and it has everything you need. One bedroom with a little bit of outdoor space.
That completes our tour for today.
Yes, thanks for visiting.
So let's recap.
Yeah.
This is
4-story brownstone in Bedford Stuyvesant, the heart of Stuyvesant Heights. This is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3,600 square feet with backyard space.
I am forcing him to start a YouTube channel. So
Yes.
when this video is out, if
I'll
he
have a
has
page.
listened to me, then you can go see his first video on his channel. I will link it in the description below. Okay, go.
Thank
go,
you.
go.
Jasmine Group, thejasminegroup.com. On Instagram is @thejasminegroup. Thank you for touring. It's been a pleasure. She's gonna do what she does. I'm gonna head out. Let's go.
All right, I know you have to go,
Yeah.
but do you mind if I stick around for a
Oh,
little bit?
you're kicking me out.
Yeah, I'm kicking you out
Okay.
of your own house.
Listen,
I just
I'm
kind
outta
of
here.
want to see what it would feel like to live here.
Got you.
So,
It's all yours.
are you leaving now?
For the simple price of
$3.5 million.
That was good. That was it.
Yeah, that wasn't planned
All right,
either.
you stay, you do your thing, and I'll see you later.
Bye.
Okay? Bye-bye.